The CCTV amendment, I didn't spot it. Fly tipping is something I don't think any of us would support, and of course it has inherent dangers, not only to the public, but also to wildlife in affected areas, and especially of course if it contains toxic material or like asbestos, and there can be damage to watercourses and soil quality from the dumped waste. Greenpeace has some quite interesting stuff on this, and they've been checking areas and samples of material resembling topsoil, covering large areas of the ground at sites where plastic waste has been burned, because people don't know what to do with it, were found to be composed of shredded plastic, not earth at all. And of course that just then gets washed out everywhere, and we all know what microplastics are doing to our ecosystem. I'm going to keep my remarks brief because we're all tired, but I would point out that the Local Government Association is also urging people to dispose of their waste properly, which is fair enough, using the nearest household waste and recycling centre, which they have worked tirelessly to keep open during the pandemic. But they also talk about wanting furniture and mattress companies, for example, to do more to offer take-back services to reduce the amount of waste produced. And I think that's something we have not explored enough. In places like Germany, they take back lots of packaging and things like that, and they will take back items. We are very behind on that in this country. And on Amendment 41 with the plastic, this is a very complex area, and a lot of the plastics which are called biodegradable and disposable and so on are actually not. And so we have to be very sure that disposable, what we need is definitions of what biodegradable means and compostable. And what we need is plastic, so-called plastic or whatever it is, to be compostable in average situations, i.e. in my compost heap, and not necessarily under ideal temperature-controlled conditions. So I would argue that these amendments are actually very, very valuable and give all sorts of good ideas to the government, and I hope they take them up.
So I'm very glad to be able to join